What is going on, YouTube world? Austin Zaback here with another YouTube video, and I know this set looks entirely different than what you're used to if you're a returning subscriber, okay? But I'm gonna be talking about in this video, stay to the very end, because we're talking about the best passive income business in 2020. And I know that a lot of you, with everything going on in the world right now, right, all of the craziness in the world, you're looking for passive income, right? And you've looked, you've watched other YouTubers on, maybe making money online, right? Making money from home, high paying jobs that don't require a degree, whatever it is, okay? But this is a business that I can truly say, I do it myself personally with a business partner, which you're gonna meet in just a minute. And it is a phenomenal passive income business. We're going to jump right into it without further ado. If you haven't already, I would really appreciate if you would smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, okay? And welcome Austin Lewis, okay? For those of you guys that have never met Austin, Austin is my business partner and dear friend. We own a couple different companies together, but primarily, Austin, what do? We do the gosh dang ATM business, okay? So why is it in 2020, people are always like, Austin, cash is going away, this, that, and the third. Just give me your quick thought on that. I mean, what in the heck?
Well, ladies and gentlemen, first of all, Austin, thank you so much for having me on the channel. You guys are going to see a lot more of this. But before I even dive into why I believe in the ATM business and ultimately why two successful individuals and two smart individuals like you and I are actually in the ATM business, if you guys would do Austin Zaback a favor here and smash the thumbs up yet again on this video. Drop in the comment section below what you guys would like to see from this man. And if you guys are brand new here, or if you guys are a returning subscriber, make sure and stay to the very end because Austin's got something in special for you guys. But make sure and subscribe if you guys are brand new. But why the ATM business, Austin? It's beautiful.
Yep.
It is a low to barrier entry business.
How much?
$2,500 at a minimum.
Brand new ATM.
Brand new ATM.
Delivered.
You have options to either load the ATM yourself or get a loader. You just got to have a good network.
Just literally, that was one of the biggest questions we always get asked, right? We're just going to keep answering them to make sure you stay to the end of the video so they can load it themselves with their own cash.
Yep.
Or they can get a loader.
That's right.
Okay. So you don't have to load it with your own cash if you don't have the money or you don't want to.
You do not have to.
Got it.
Secondly, you find a location, which there is thousands upon thousands of locations that are in your city.
Is it saturated?
It is not saturated.
It's not saturated.
It is not saturated.
Just like Coca-Cola is not saturated.
It's not saturated.
It's not saturated.
Every single day, there's new businesses opening up, ladies and gentlemen. And at the end of the day, the ATM business, something I think people have to really remember, Austin, is it is a 50-plus-year-old business.
Right.
So there are people in this business that are 60, 70, 80 years old.
Yep, for sure.
That are getting out of the business.
Right.
So as you have
They're selling their locations,
exactly,
etc. Got it.
Or they're just pulling their locations from because they do not want to deal with it.
They just don't want to do it anymore.
Exactly.
They didn't even want to sell it.
No.
They made their money.
Because they don't have anybody to sell it to.
I read somewhere that, cash, other countries have tried getting rid of cash and it just didn't work, right? And there's all these different reasons. When you look at, the government, the US is going to get rid of cash and you start doing your due diligence on it. I'll show you a couple of articles on the screen of some different countries that have tried getting rid of it. It didn't work, right? And they want to get rid of it because, in theory, right, it would basically minimize crime and drug activity, right? Look, the people that are going to go out and commit a crime or do drugs are going to figure it out with or without cash.
Yep.
And I think at the end of the day, that is, that's that, right? And you said it before, but Austin Lewis's mom, okay, my grandma, my mom, my whatever, she's not going to pay with Venmo or Cash App, right?
No.
So we've got, look, ladies and gentlemen, it is our opinion, okay? I would love to know yours, by the way. Drop into the comment section below and let us know, right, what your opinion is. It is our opinion that we've got quite a bit of time with cash, and there's a lot of money to make in the business, okay? Yep. What is an average ROI on an ATM machine?
An average ROI is anywhere from 20 to 60% a year. And now when I say that, Austin, and for the audiences tuning in and listening to this guy's channel that is liking this video and subscribing if you guys are brand new, is I am under promising and going to over deliver.
Yeah, for sure. 20, let me just, okay, so let's just bet. I mean, because I got some real estate guys that follow me. I got some different people, right? You might be from TikTok, might be from Instagram. By the way, I would love to know where you're from. Comment down below. 20 to 60%?
20 to 60%.
I mean, the average ROI in the real estate industry is probably, I don't know, 6 to 12, if you're lucky, depending on the market. 20 to 60. So, okay. So ladies and gentlemen, so you can buy an ATM for $2,500, right? Brand new. You could get one cheaper. You get a used one if you want, right? Brand new for $2,500. You don't even have to load it yourself. You can if you want to, but you don't have to. Okay. Are there any other stipulations? I mean, you got to get a good location. You got a decent location, right? A decent location is 20 to 60%. What is that? We're talking barbershops. We're talking nail salons. We're talking bars. We're talking really just about anything, right? Nothing. I mean, just maybe stay away from the big chain restaurant, food chain, stuff like that, potentially, unless you can actually land the entire, like your brother owns Buffalo Wild Wings or something, I would imagine.
Absolutely.
Okay. And is there anything else? I mean, do people need insurance?
People do not need insurance. Okay. I think that's a small myth. You don't need a license or anything like that. And just something, Austin, to leave all the subscribers and individuals that are actually watching this. And I'm speaking to you guys right now. Just do us a favor. And I know a lot of people, it's hard to fathom what this is, but it's a little bit of a math game. And I'm not good at math, right? I'm not the shiniest marble in the box. But if you Google average ATM transactions in the United States, the USA, per day, it will give you a number of 6 to 10 transactions a day. Yep. So on average, an ATM does 6 to 10 transactions a day. Yep. Times that by $3 a transaction, which is the average transaction in the United States. Right. It's actually higher than that, but let's just lowball.
It is going up.
It is going up.
Yep.
Today, this morning, I think it was $3.45 is the average surcharge in the United States. $3.45. Okay. So let's just lowball and say $3. Okay, I'm not a genius, but 6 times 3, people do the math. Yep. Okay, and for the individuals that are
6 times 3 is 18.
$18
times 30.
Times 30. You know, I think it's $680.
What are we looking at? Let's do the math right here. We're live, ladies and gentlemen. If you are watching this YouTube video and you haven't smashed the like button, and you're interested in passive income, even if you don't like the ATM business, just smash the like button. It doesn't take any time out of your day, okay? And so $540 a month, okay? 18 times 30. Let me just make sure I did that right. 18 times 30. Do it one more time. $540 a month, okay? Yep. $540 a month times 12 months is $6,480 a year.
So you just got a 300% ROI.
Divided by 2,500 is, is unbelievable.
Yeah.
Unbelievable. That's assuming you bought a brand new ATM.
Yep.
Right? And assuming your ATM was at the bottom of the average of what Google or the big platforms will tell you. Now, it isn't guaranteed. Neither is anything in life, right? Neither is Amazon automation. Neither is, all the applications online that you can sign up for and make money by reviewing a product or filling out a review or dropping a comment or whatever. There's all these different things that every YouTuber preaches on YouTube to make money, right? And this isn't any more guaranteed than anything else. Everything takes work. Everything takes a little bit of time. But in our opinion, right, and me and Austin have been doing this for a little while now, the ATM business is a phenomenal business to get involved with.
Absolutely.
Guys, don't overcomplicate it, right? You don't need all this crazy stuff. There are a couple of things that you'll figure out along the way, right? Just like anything, okay? You got to get a bank account. You got to probably get an LLC, right? You got to find a bank account that's cool with you doing the ATM business. You can find that. It's not that hard, right? Call a couple of people, drop in the comment section. We'll tell you where to go, right? But other than that, is there really anything else that
it's almost too simple.
It is. And I think that is why people hate on the ATM business, is it is very, very simple, right? Guys, there you have it. The ATM business, honestly, I made the video, okay, just to provide value. Honest and truly, we could care less if we sell anything, if we do anything. Look, provide value. If you are interested, just let us know. But again, we really believe that more people are going to be getting into the ATM business, especially with everything going on in the world right now. ATM cash usage has actually been up. A lot of our locations that are up are way up, right? They're getting used more than they ever have with everything going on in the world. People that are in fear typically want to stockpile. You see people, I'll show you on the screen, people stockpiling toilet paper, people stockpiling everything you could imagine. You better believe people go pull their cash out of the bank, because what? They don't trust the system, right? People don't trust, when in times like this, people don't trust the system. So what do? They go get cash, they get toilet paper, they get ammunition, and they hunker down and they do their thing.
100%.
Guys, there you have it. If you have any questions at all about the ATM business, Austin Lewis's information is all going to be in the description below. Drop into the comment section below, like the video, subscribe. And if there's anything we didn't cover, honest and truly, we'll make another video. We'll make 5 more videos on this subject. You just have to let me know and let Austin know. Go subscribe to his channel that you want us to make more content and that you actually enjoyed the content. And we'll give you the entire blueprint for free. Honestly, we don't care about making any money off of you. we will give it all to you for free. Make sure you subscribe. That's all we care about. We want you to subscribe. We want you to like the dang video. And Austin, I really appreciate you being on my channel. And I almost said the show. Go subscribe to the A&A Show. Okay, we're filming in the A&A Show studio. Appreciate you being here, and we'll see you guys in the next one.